take a look at this problem. We got x to the fourth minus 1. There's no GCF. Grouping is 4 or more terms. PST and key number are both 3 terms. Dots, difference 2 squares, 2 terms with a minus ring it. That fits. So we're going to try to write this as something squared minus something else squared. We take a look at each individual piece and ask ourselves what times itself gives us that. For example, the x to the fourth, that's x squared times x squared. The 1 is 1 times 1. Now I'm going to label what's inside the first set of parentheses as f for first. I'll label what's inside the last set of parentheses as L for last. And it's just a formula. F plus L times F minus L. So everywhere I have an F, I'll plug in x, or everywhere I have an F, I'll plug in x squared, and everywhere I have an L, I'll plug in 1. So we'll have x squared plus 1 and x squared minus 1. Now the second set of parentheses, we can use difference 2 squares again. The reason why is because it's 2 terms with minus ring it, and x times x gives you x squared, and 1 times 1 gives you 1. So let me write out the form again. We want to write as something squared minus something else squared. And I've already said this. X times x gives you x squared, and 1 times 1 gives you 1. So I'll label this as F for what's in the first set of parentheses. I'll label this as L for what's in the last set of parentheses. Now the x squared plus 1 just carries down. Can't drop it. And now everywhere there's an F, I'll plug in x, and everywhere there's an L, I'll plug in 1. So we got x plus 1, and we got x minus 1. And that would be our answer.